about My Hero, the anime, boy, they animated Overhaul getting his ass whooped, boy. They animated about every cell in that nigga body getting his ass beat.
Yeah, that was crazy.
I was
Like,
like, damn.
yeah,
Y'all can give my nigga Mirio not a scene, but y'all show this nigga get his ass whooped.
yeah. I mean, like it was kind of a yin yang to me. Like the whole like multi punch thing, like that was dope. I ain't gonna lie. I just still I guess I gotta like reread how they did the fight in the manga, but I still thought it was gonna be more. I don't know why.
Because remember we was making fun of it
Because
when it dropped in the manga. Because in the manga we was like, oh, that's when we realized that everybody kind of sucked. Because we was like, the moment this nigga got 100% one for all, he smacked that nigga in like 2 hits, and it was like, oh, that nigga sleep.
true.
Like, oh, that's why All Might had the fucking city on lock, bro. He was beating niggas in like 2 hits.
But I do feel like that it was complete bullshit how this nigga was able to go full 100%, smack this nigga straight in the face with a punch as strong as he
Right.
could, and this nigga survived. Bullshit.
Bro, when I saw that, I was like, oh, Deku
Bullshit.
killed that nigga.
Hell yeah, you should have killed that man.
I was like, bro, they better rewind this nigga. I was like, he just
Because
killed him.
he ain't have the armor over his face and none of that shit. He took that 100% on.
Yeah,
So
that's an anime only. Because in the manga, I think he only hit that nigga like demon body like twice, and that nigga was asleep. He did not connect to that nigga face, at least not that I remember. Because god damn, he cracked that nigga. I was like, he is dead. He killed this man.
Yeah, I gotta remember. I don't remember the fight in the manga like at all. I still thought it was more though.